is Dajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be just trying to do my makeup in under 15 minutes because I realized, like, when I be doing videos or just like when I'm going somewhere, which is few and far between nowadays, I take forever to do my makeup. So I just want to see if I could do my makeup in 15 minutes, like, just in case, like, I don't know, it's just like a challenge. 1 minute is too short, 10 minutes I feel like a little bit too short, so we're gonna try to do 15 minutes. So yeah, if you guys want to see me try to do my makeup in 15 minutes, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera just because that's something that I literally always do. I'm gonna set an alarm. Look how cute my phone case is. Period. I'm gonna set an alarm for 15 minutes on my phone, and then we're gonna get to work. I'm literally so nervous because I always drop stuff on my desk, and like, it just is like, it makes me anxious, and like, it's just a hot mess. So to do all that within 15 minutes, by the way, I did my nails. ASMR. To do all that within 15 minutes is stressing me. Anyways, so let's set an alarm for 15 minutes. Now, if there's like cuts and speeding up in this video, I don't have anything in mind. Just know that I will be doing that if I need to, but I will not be stopping the timer unless sometimes, like, people call me and I need to get up. Unless I need to get up, then I'm gonna do it. And I'm trying to think if I should stop the timer if I need to find something. But if you have 15 minutes to get somewhere and you're trying to do your makeup, time doesn't just stop just because you're looking for a product. So I think I'm just gonna keep the timer running if I'm looking for something. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm gonna prime my eyes. And I might be saying what I'm using, but I might not, because that takes up time, if you know what I mean. So yeah. Powder. I don't know what kind of eye look I want to do. I definitely want to do eyeshadow because I feel like it's a cop out if you don't. So I'm just going to take this Blushing Berries palette, and I'm going to take a Morphe M504 brush. And I'm going to take the lightest shade in the palette, and I'm just going to start putting that into my crease, possibly. Alright, babe, like, come on. Okay, come on, girl. And now I'm gonna take the second darkest color and put that into the crease as well. This blend is not that good. I want it to be presentable. Like, I don't want it to look a hot mess, but it's looking like that's what's gonna happen. Okay, how much time do I have left? 11 minutes. Okay, I'm spending too much time on the eyes. Okay, we're gonna slap a shade on the lid and call it flipping day. Not bad. Primer. Told you. Okay. Foundation. I'm literally going so fast. I mean, the foundation doesn't even look bad though. So, and zooming it, and zooming it, and zooming it well, and zooming it, and zooming it. Okay. Am I gonna get demonetized for that? Because you know I sounded just like it. Not demonetized. Copyright. I'm not monetized yet. So if you guys want to follow me and get me to 1,000 subscribers, and then watch all my videos so I can get 5,000 watch time so I can get monetized, I would love you guys forever, and everyone gets a free hug because we're broke right now. Okay, we need to hurry up. How much time? 5 minutes. Oh my god. Okay. Literally like 4 minutes left. And by the way, if you guys are like, there's no way, when I said 5 minutes, it was like 5:55. Okay, powder quickly, babes. I've been watching the new Twilight Zone on CBS All Access, and it's literally giving me so much life. It's so good. I mean, I know it was gonna be good because Jordan Peele, and just like his twist in movies, and then like, you know how like the Twilight Zone is all about like twists and stuff. So blush, where is it, where is it, where is it? Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, 2 minutes 45 seconds. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put these lashes on. I got mascara down here. Okay, nope, we're taking this off. We're literally, there's 6 seconds left, so I'm just gonna try to blend this out some more. We ain't doing the lashes. Turns out I can't do it. So this is literally how far I got, and not even my eyebrows because I did my eyebrows off camera. I mean, my foundation, my base doesn't look bad, and my eyeshadow doesn't look that bad either. I mean, it needs blended right here a lot, but not too bad. I could actually see myself going out looking like this. Okay, so this is the finished look. It actually is kind of cute. Like, it's very like hydrated. It looks kind of natural. Not natural because I have literally red eyelids, but because I couldn't put on lashes. I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna finish up everything, like put on some more highlighter, put on some lashes, maybe do some crystals or something, because I was making a TikTok, like a transformation TikTok. So yeah, but this is literally the finished look. I mean, it's kind of cute. I kind of like the simplicity of, oh, I'm not supposed to do that, of the eyeshadow. This video is gonna be so quick. I already know it's going to be, because literally like it just felt quick. But yeah, I think I'm gonna, okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. This is what it looks like with 15 minutes. I'm gonna go off camera and finish it up, do some like finishing touches and stuff, and I'm gonna time myself and see how long those finishing touches would take. I feel like that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. So this is what it would look like with 15 minutes. It's kind of cute, but no lashes. Like, I put on mascara, but there's no falsies. So if you guys like wanted to see the 15 minutes, this is it. So now I'm gonna go off camera, time myself doing like extra things, and then come back and see like how long it took and like how big of a difference it would be if I had like extra things. So I'll be right back, babes. Okay, so I added black crystals in here, and then I did my lips. I'm trying to think if I like it. I don't think I have the type of lips that can pull off this lipstick look. I kind of like it though. What else did I do? Oh, lashes, and then some highlight on my nose and my cupid's bow, and I'm gonna tell y'all how long that took. But I was like lollygagging and stuff in the middle. It took 21 minutes to do all that, but I was, like I said, I was like lollygagging in the middle and stuff. But this is the complete look. Like I said, I just put gems here in the inner corner and did this, and I love it. It's so dark and vampy. So yeah, I know this was kind of a shorter video, I'm assuming, because I don't know, maybe I won't speed up the parts that need to be speeded up. I don't know, we'll see. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want more of me when I'm not uploading, you can follow me on Instagram. I have two Instagrams. I have like a makeup Instagram and then like a regular one. You can follow and like my page on Facebook. You can follow me on TikTok. Hey, I post like transformations. Sometimes I'll show like the little doing the makeup, and sometimes I'll just do like barefaced and then a transformation, if that makes sense. So yeah, if you guys want to keep up with me when I'm not posting, you can follow me on my other social medias, all that good stuff down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Watch another video if you would like to. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.